Guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Multiventures. On today's series, I will be sharing with you how to make headbands for babies and adults at home. These are the materials I will be using, and I will be using some of my old knit tops that I have at home that are still very neat. So I will be cutting out the length that I will be using, which is 5 centimeter, and I'm using my candle to trim out where I will be cutting out, because I'm not a fashion designer and my hand is not that straight, so I'm using this to trim it out. So after I'm done trimming, I'll trim the edge of the top, and I'll trim anywhere that I see that is having lapses, and I'll fold the edge into 2 places, and I will split the 2 ends together, and I will secure it with a rubber band. You can use a new materials if that is what you have at home. You can use any of your old. I just find this helpful because I have a lot of tops that I'm not using again, and I make use of this rather than buying a new one. So I'll be putting in my cardboard, and I will use the other end to secure it from the back to the front, and I will fold the edge again, fold it neatly, and use it to wrap the first layer. I'll take it to the back and secure it tightly from the back again. Put it on the other side of the band. You can use a pin and thread to hold it tightly so it won't remove for other later use, or you can leave it like this once you've secured it tightly, and you'll be cutting out the excess fabrics. And after I'm done, your headband is ready, and see my baby rocking it. It's very nice. You can make as many as possible. Thank you for watching.